Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on vibration while ringing in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Suppose if you are receiving any call, suppose if you are going in a bus, or if you are going in a bike, or if you are going in a car, outside environmental sound will be more. Okay, so ringtone will not be hearable to you sometimes. Okay, so in this case, if you have any vibration there, you can feel the vibration that you are receiving a call. Okay, so in that case, you should turn on that option. Okay, then only it will be available to you. Okay, so what you have to do is, here I receive a call, but I did not get any vibration. So to get vibration, what you have to do is just go to the settings. Okay, then go to sounds and vibration, and here click on here just find vibrate while ringing. Just turn on this button, so that if you are receiving any call hereafter, along with your ringtone, vibration will also be available. Okay, that is your phone will vibrate along with the ringing. Okay, so you can understand and you can feel the vibration if you hold your phone in your pocket or wherever on your body, and you can just feel that, and you can easily pick up the call. Okay, so in this way you can easily make use of this feature called vibrate while ringing. Okay, just you go to turn on this button through settings, ringtone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.